In this video I will show you how to install and run Java in Visual Studio Code. So for that we need two things. First Java JDK and second Java extension. So let's download Java JDK. So for that I will open Google Chrome and search JDK. Enter and open the first link, Java download Oracle, and scroll this page. So you can see there are three options: Linux, macOS and Windows. So I need for Windows, so simply click on Windows. Another three option it will give you. So the second one option, x64 installer. This one I will download. Simply click on this link. So it will start downloading. So you can see the downloading is start. It will take some time. As this JDK is downloading, we will go to Visual Studio and we will install Java extension. Open this extension tab and search Java extension. Enter. So it is the second one by Microsoft. The author is Microsoft. So click on it and click install. So it will take some time. So extension pack for Java is installed. Now I will close this as well, and I will open Google Chrome. Java JDK is downloaded or not. Chrome. So you can see the Java JDK is downloaded. Now I will open this. So click on this string folder and I will install as well. So double click on it. Click yes. Next. So this Java JDK is installed on this part. Program files Java and Java JDK -22. If you want to change the location, so simply click on this change button. Click next. So the installation start. Now it will take some time. So the installation is complete. So I will close this. I will close this as well. And now we will set path. So for that I will minimize this browser and Visual Studio as well. And now I will go to this drive and click on this PC. Open local disk C drive, program file Java JDK -22 and copy this path. So Ctrl C, and now we will search in search bar environment variable. So open this, click on this environment variable, click on this path, edit, click on new and paste that path. Okay and OK. Now we will check the path is set up or not. So for that we will open CMD or CMD, enter. Here we will search Java C -version, hit enter. Now you can see it is showing Java C 22.0.1. so our Java's path is set up. Now I will close this and open Visual Studio Code, and here we will create a Java file. So click on this file loader and here click on this, and file name will be hello world.java and hit enter. So our Java file is created. So now we will create class inside this. So class hello world curly braces, enter. So here public static world main square bracket string bracket args, and here curly braces, enter. System dot out dot print ln square bracket double quotation and hello world. Now I will run this. So simply run without debugging. So you can see the hello world is printed. So in